covers on Volkswagens, the holes that bracket too, right? They work just as well if the bumper flipped over. Okay. You can lower your front end by 2 inches.
Yeah.
You know, forget the brackets, right? Just let your grip go. You know what I mean? Yeah. But that's the way that car was. I had it for decades, and then I looked at it one day and went, hey, you know, somebody put it on upside down for on purpose. Did the outline, brought it back to my window, and, you know, did the best alignment I could, right? But, and taped with double tape or whatever. I even taped off the rubber. I didn't even want to get my old rubber with paint over it, right? It was like, at any rate, so I painted an oval.
Okay.
I just black and Crayon paint, color matched.
Yeah.
I have an oval, right?
Yeah.
I go up to a pinstriper friend who is now in Australia, but he saw it and brought out his rolling easel. He said, ooh, ooh, ooh. And I'm going, yeah, what are you gonna do, fish? And he brings his easel over in a little chair, paints it down to a split, chromed. Then he goes down to my tail lights, paints over the plastic, and to leave the small 48 dot, right, or whatever it would have been. But funny car. You know, I had a lot of laughs.
Yeah, people, I bet.
Oh, look, a rolling split. Walk up to it.
Oh yeah, no, it's painted. Yeah, that's cool. That's awesome. Yeah.
You can lower your front end by 2 inches. You know, forget the brackets, right? Just like your grip, or you know what I mean. But that's the way that car was. I had it for decades, and then I looked at it one day. You know, somebody put it on upside down for on purpose or not, but I just drove it like that for years and just thought that was it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The front end was always a little bit lower.
A little bit lower. That's great.
With a